Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 5x to the power of 4 e to the power of x to the power of 5. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Because we don't have number 5, so we divide both sides by number 5. So this one we change by u. This one we change by the u over number 5. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.